My little baby hairs. Oh my God. I'm amazed. All right, so last night I slept in a braid, which I usually do. I usually sleep in a braid because I got long hair and my hair would just, it'd be a mess. I'm gonna do a cute hairstyle. This is what my hair looks like when I take it out of the braid. Nice big loose waves, somewhat, sort of, a little bit, not really, just kidding. Half up, half down, and like 2 little buns. But I've done this hairstyle before. I don't know, I don't learn my lesson. But I've tried to do this hairstyle before, and I literally look like Cindy Lou Who or some shit. I don't even know. But we're gonna try. We're gonna see. Did you hear those sirens? They were going off. They were telling me, no, girl, don't do it. Don't do it, girl. Don't do it. Let's do it. Start down the center. That's not down the center, girl. Okay, that's better. And I got this stuff too the other day. Hair wax stick by Kiss Colors and Care. And it smells like sweet peach. Let's see. Yeah, it does. It smells like peach raspberry iced tea or something. That smells really good. All right, we're gonna try it out. Hopefully it doesn't make my hair greasy. I was thinking maybe half and half and then braiding it and then making it into a bun and then hopefully it looks cute. Let's see. All right, use this. Oh, my hair's gonna smell so good. It's gonna smell good, girl. Really? Really, this is what happens. I took the elastic out of my hair. Look, look. It's hanging on a piece of hair that's stuck wrapped around my arm. This is what happens when you have long hair. All right, that looks better. It's pretty good. Not bad. Because I get a lot of flyaways, honestly. And they're annoying. Okay. So now I'm gonna braid. This right here has all my elastics, my pins, my little clips. Keeps it nice and organized. I'm a Virgo. Leave me alone. Try to like interlock them as you put the pins in so it holds, and kind of wiggle them in. Voila. Look how cute that little cinnamon bun is. Oh, it looks so cute. Let's do the other side. This side doesn't want to cooperate. Cooperations. Pin that right there. Ow. That's why I really don't put my hair up in pins, because it hurts. Okay. I think it does look cute. All right, let me finish this up and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, you ready? I can't believe how cute it looks. You ready? Like, I'm amazed. My hair never comes out like this. Like, never. I always look like Cindy Lou Who did it and ran type shit. What? This might be my new hairstyle. I love this. This. Yeah, I did my little baby hairs. Oh my God. Girl, I need to go out now. Bye.